In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the geometry of an image on Visme. Whether you're working on a project for a presentation or simply enhancing visual elements for a personal design, mastering image editing can significantly elevate the quality of your work. So let's dive into the process of editing the geometry of an image using Visme's intuitive tools. To start, you'll need to select the image you want to edit. Simply click on the image that you've already inserted into your canvas. This action will activate the image and allow you to proceed with further adjustments. Once you've clicked on the image, direct your attention to the Edit Image button. Clicking on this will open up Visme's powerful suite of image editing tools that are designed to give you creative control over your visuals. With the image editor open, your next task is to find the Geometry section. This is essentially your command center for adjusting the angle of your image. The Geometry panel houses a variety of tools that are tailored for altering image angles. Here, you can rotate your image in different directions: top, bottom, left, right, depending on your project's needs. You'll also notice a slider within this panel. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to manually manipulate the angle of your image, offering you a level of precision that can make even subtle adjustments impactful. For those who require very precise transformations, such as specific size or position changes or exact rotation degrees, you'll want to use the Coordinates panel. This feature is perfect for users who enjoy working with pinpoint accuracy. In the Coordinates panel, you have the ability to type in the exact dimensions for width and height. Moreover, you can define the X and Y position to ensure the image is sitting right where you want it on the canvas. This level of customization extends to rotation as well, where you can enter a specific angle for precise rotation adjustments. These tools combined provide a robust framework for editing your image's geometry with ease and precision. Whether you choose to make broad strokes with the Geometry panel's slider or engage with the fine-tuned adjustments available in the Coordinates panel, Visme offers a versatile platform for image editing. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to edit the geometry of an image in Visme, giving you greater creative control and flexibility in your projects. Practice these steps and watch as they become second nature, enabling you to produce visually stunning designs with confidence and skill. Thank you for following along, and happy designing.